Imagine this. You wake up in a normal three-bedroom house. Your neighbors think you're just another middle-class person. You drive a 10-year-old Honda. You wear simple clothes, no flashy logos, no obvious luxury. But there's a secret. Across your bank accounts, investments, and businesses, your net worth is $650 million. And the craziest part, your parents don't know. Your friends don't know. Your neighbors have no idea. Social media? Zero flex. No one there knows either. You are a silent millionaire. You have more money than most people will ever see in their entire life. But from the outside, you look completely normal. What does that life actually feel like? Is it pure freedom? Is it boring? Is it scary? In this video, we're going to step inside. What it's really like to have $650 million and nobody knows. Let's start. First, let's clear one thing up. You did not make this money overnight. You didn't catch some viral crypto coin. You didn't win the lottery. You didn't build a flashy tech startup that suddenly hit $1 billion valuation. Your journey was boring, dangerously boring. 20 to 30 years ago, you started with a completely normal job, maybe as a facilities coordinator, an engineer, an accountant, or a manager in a small business. Very early, you realized something. Every hour I trade for money, I'm giving up a piece of my life. So you made a decision. You're not going to rely only on a paycheck. On the side, you start a boring business, maybe warehouses for rent, a small trucking company, a plumbing supply distribution business, laundromats, storage units, or some other unglamorous operation with heavy, consistent cash flow. Every year, you keep your personal lifestyle simple, pull out profits, and reinvest them back into the business. Put money into stock market index funds, real estate, and other boring assets. While other people are flexing on Instagram, you are quietly letting compounding do its job. After 25 years, all those small decisions add up to a monster number. $650 million. And then one day, you realize something insane. Your investment portfolio moves more in 24 hours than the average American earns in an entire year. And yet, you're still the one driving yourself to the grocery store. In that moment, it hits you just how extreme your life has become on the inside, while it still looks completely average on the outside. Now let's walk through a normal day in your life as a silent millionaire. Your alarm goes off, but honestly, you usually wake up before it. You don't have a 9-to-5 boss anymore, but the discipline never left. You head to the kitchen and make your regular coffee. No gold mug, no crazy espresso machine, just a simple cup, the same old countertop, the same cabinets you've had for years. Your spouse and family know that you're good with money, that you're financially strong, but they don't know the exact number. If they heard 650 million, their entire view of reality might collapse. You open your closet. Plain t-shirts, simple shirts, normal jeans, nothing screaming, "I'm rich. Look at me." You could easily buy a $100,000 watch, but you choose a simple, functional one instead. Because by now you've learned real wealth whispers, fake wealth screams. Today, you're technically retired. If you wanted, you could stop working completely and your money would still outlive you. But you still work on your own terms. You open your laptop and check your dashboards. Business cash flow, rental income, portfolio performance. For 2 to 3 hours, you make only high-level decisions. Do we keep this property or sell it? Do we expand this business or pause? Which manager do we empower? And where do we reduce risk? No boss, no HR, just you and your numbers. In the afternoon, you head to the grocery store. You buy basics, bread, fruit, everyday items. The difference is this. You still glance at prices, but there's no anxiety behind it. Inflation hits the news, you notice it, but it doesn't control your emotions. Even with this level of wealth, you don't go crazy with spending, because money, for you, is no longer about ego. It's just a tool. Sometimes you travel. You could easily afford private jets. But most of the time, you quietly fly business class or even premium economy. You care about comfort, but You don't crave attention. At the airport, people see you and think, just another regular traveler. They have no idea that you could buy the entire plane if you really wanted to. To put this in perspective, if $650 million earns just a 5% annual return, that's $32.5 million a year, which is about $89,000 per day. The amount of money some people never see in a lifetime, your portfolio can move up or down in a single day. And yet you're still living in that same quiet house, driving that same old car, choosing that same simple routine. Listening to all this, it might sound like a perfect life. But being a silent millionaire comes with a dark side too. The more money you have, the more complicated trust becomes. You can't help but wonder, if my family knew the exact number, would they treat me the same? Would that one relative suddenly message you, can you just help a little? For you, it's nothing. You don't want to become a walking ATM or a lottery winner target, so you choose silence. It's the same with friendships. Is this person really my friend, or do they just see an opportunity? When you were broke, your identity was the struggler. When you were middle class, you were the hard worker. Now you don't need a job, you don't need a paycheck. So the question shows up, who am I if I'm not my job title, not my salary, not my hustle? If you don't have a clear sense of purpose, this level of freedom can quietly turn into emptiness. This amount of money is also a massive responsibility. You know, the risk of lawsuits, legal traps, and random claims goes up the moment people think, this person has money, maybe I can get some. You start thinking about your family's physical security, too. So you keep a low profile online, you don't flash your lifestyle, you don't put every asset directly under your own name. You use trusts, holding companies, layers of protection, not to show off, to stay safe. When you're the wealthiest person in your circle and almost no one knows the real number, it's easy to feel like no one truly understands you. You can't be fully honest at dinner about what you're planning, how much risk you're taking, or how much you actually have. If you don't intentionally build the right relationships, silent wealth can slowly turn into oscillant loneliness. So, what can you take from this story? First big idea: real wealth isn't about showing off, it's about control. You don't need $650 million. For most people, 1 to 5 million combined with reasonable living costs is already life-changing freedom. The silent millionaire mindset says, freedom beats flex. A luxury car or designer outfit is nice, but the real flex is waking up on a Monday morning and saying, I don't have to tolerate this boss, this job, this environment if I don't want to. Boring habits build insane results. Monthly investing, avoiding unnecessary lifestyle upgrades, improving your skills, building side income streams, all of that looks boring from the outside, but over time, it creates extreme compounding. Privacy is an asset. You don't have to share your exact income or net worth with everyone. Sometimes being quietly strong is safer and more peaceful than being loudly impressive. The goal isn't just money, it's purpose. If you become financially free but don't have anything meaningful to wake up for, you'll still feel empty. So start asking yourself now, if I didn't have to work for money, what would I actually want to spend my time on? Maybe the real luxury isn't a Lamborghini at all. Maybe the real luxury is the ability to wake up on a Monday morning and say, today, I choose what I want to do. You might never hit 650 million, and honestly, you don't need to. But if you start thinking like a silent millionaire, less show, more strategy, less flex, more freedom, your relationship with money can start changing from today. If you enjoy videos about wealth, mindset, and money psychology, hit subscribe, drop a like, and tell me in the comments, if you had silent millions, what's the first thing you would change in your life? In the next video, I'm going to show you how a normal person can work toward their first silent million starting from zero. See you there.